Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Steam game validating issues. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, click the search bar in the bottom left corner of your screen. Then type Task Manager. Once the Task Manager app appears in the search results, go ahead and click on it to open the application. This tool will help us reset Steam's processes to resolve the validation problem. Inside Task Manager, locate Steam in the list of running applications, then right-click on it and select End Task. Don't worry, Steam will automatically launch again, so just wait for a few seconds while it loads back up. This quick restart often clears temporary glitches that cause validation loops. Once Steam reopens, click on Steam in the upper left corner of the window. Then select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will open your Steam configuration panel where we can clear some cached data that might be causing the issue. In the left panel of the settings window, click on Downloads. Now scroll down until you find the Clear Download Cache option and click the Clear Cache button right beside it. When the confirmation prompt appears, click Confirm. Clearing this cache removes corrupted download data that often interferes with game validation. Next, click on Library in the upper left corner to return to your game collection. In the left panel where all your games are listed, right-click on the game that's stuck validating, then select Properties from the menu. This opens detailed settings for that specific game. In the left sidebar of the Properties window, click on Installed Files. Here you'll see an option to verify integrity of game files, so go ahead and click on that. Steam will now scan your game files and replace any corrupted or missing data automatically. Wait for this process to complete, as it can take several minutes depending on the game's size. If the validation issue still persists after verification, click on Steam again in the upper left corner and select Settings once more. In the left panel, click on Storage. At the top of the storage page, you'll see a drop-down menu, so click on it and select the local drive where your games are installed and experiencing the validation problem. This allows Steam to check the health of your storage library. Now click on the three dotted lines, then select Repair Library. This function scans and fixes any issues with your Steam library folder structure, which can often resolve persistent validation errors. Give it some time to complete the repair process. If you're still experiencing the same problem after trying all these steps, the best solution is to move your game folder to another local drive or external drive. Sometimes the drive itself has issues that prevent proper validation. Click on Library in the upper left corner again, then in the left panel, right-click on the game you want to move to another hard drive and select Properties. In the left sidebar, click on Installed Files. You'll find the Move Install Folder option here, so click on it. A drop-down menu will appear where you can select another local drive or external drive as the new location. Once you've selected your preferred drive, click Move. Steam will transfer all the game files to the new location, which should resolve any drive-specific issues causing the validation loop. And that's it. You've fixed your Steam game validation issue by clearing caches, verifying files, repairing your library, or moving the game to a different drive. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.